Hold on to your names, folks. The FCC just revived net neutrality, and the internet is abuzz. Is it a cause for celebration, like the time everyone got a free month of premium streaming? Or is it more cautious, wait and see situation? Buckle up, because we're diving into the potential futures of this net neutrality revival. So, what's the net neutrality buzz about? Net neutrality is the internet's open road rule. Imagine every website having the same speed limit, no matter how popular. Net neutrality ensures that internet service providers treat all online traffic equally, preventing them from throttling speeds or creating fast lanes for specific websites for a price, of course. The FCC's decision to reinstate net neutrality is a big deal. In 2017, they repealed these precautions, sparking fears of an internet with paywalls and prioritized content. Thankfully, they reversed course, but the impact of this decision is still unfolding. The sunny side of the net neutrality street. A fair fight. Small businesses and startups now get a fighting chance against established giants. Think of it as an online marketplace where everyone has equal access to potential customers. Buffering blues be gone, hopefully. No more ISP-imposed slowdowns. With net neutrality, your internet connection should, in theory, treat all websites the same, which means smoother streaming and faster downloads. Consumer control. You, the internet user, have more power. ISPs can't pressure you into paying extra for decent speeds or force you to use specific websites. The not-so-sunny side of the net neutrality street. Investment slowdown? Some argue that without the ability to make money from fast lanes, ISPs might hesitate to invest in building better infrastructure. This could leave rural areas stuck in internet slow lanes. The bureaucratic maze. Increased government regulations could make it harder for new internet technologies or businesses to take off. Innovation might get bogged down in red tape. Did it work before? There's debate about how effective net neutrality was in the past. Some say it fostered a thriving online environment, while others argue the internet thrives best with minimal regulations. The future of net neutrality, crystal ball not included. The FCC's decision is a big step toward a more open internet, but it's not the end of the story. Here's what the future might hold. The legal wrangling continues. Expect legal challenges from ISPs, who may argue the FCC overstepped its bounds. The innovation question: will net neutrality stifle or spur technological advancements? This will likely be a point of ongoing debate. The balancing act. The FCC will need to find ways to regulate the internet while still allowing for growth and innovation. The bottom line: net neutrality's return is a complex issue with far-reaching consequences. While it may create a more level playing field for online businesses and a smoother browsing experience for you, It also raises questions about investment and innovation. One thing's for sure, the future of the Internet will likely be shaped by the ongoing debate surrounding net neutrality. Stay safe, stay secure, and keep an eye out for those upcoming developments. And in the meanwhile, happy browsing! I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.